Okay, I'm contemplating taking this HT outdoors, the Lone Peak Radio chest pack. If you haven't seen that video, go watch that. Those are some awesome chest packs that hold your radio. Anyways, I want a speaker mic. I tried the one from the FT60s. Just doesn't work. Doesn't push down in, doesn't reach. Whatever it is, not making contact, doesn't work. So I went ahead and ordered one of these aftermarket screw-on ones. The mic port on this VX6, since it's all waterproof, is right here. Just unscrew that. New microphone's gonna screw into it, so let's get started. So I got this aftermarket mic. It looks like the ones I have for my TYTs, my Anytones, except the plug screws in. We'll leave a link in the product description below. Let's get this thing opened up. Just this cheap generic design. Does have some metal on the back. Belt clip that swivels around. Hopefully, oh yeah, this one's got a good strong detent. Very nice. Anyways, what I need is this connector. It screws into the radio, keeps the radio watertight. So let me get that screwed onto the top of the radio and let's see what she sounds like. Get that thing screwed in so the mic would spin and not flip-flop on the table. I just held the radio upside down over the floor, screwed it in. Come on, radio, quit spinning. Okay, I want to give this thing a demonstration. AA1PR 6-meter testing, AA1PR. Got nothing to listen to. Let's go to a repeater. That's my all-star node. That should work.
Alpha 1, Papa Romeo All-Star, leg PL 173.8.
Kind of tinny. AA1PR testing. Let's go to a repeater. Maybe somebody will answer us. The repeater's dead in your area? Because it's sure as heck dead here in Vermont. AA1PR testing microphone. AA1PR. Well, what I gotta do? Get a second radio and transmit to the second radio? Okay, I guess I got nobody to come back to me to give you a demo. As soon as I can find somebody. That's a Killington 14688 repeater on top of Mount Killington in central Vermont. We'll try to get a demo here.
Repeater in west central Vermont.
Let's see if somebody will come back to me over here. I never hear anybody on this repeater. They don't even have a Aries net anymore, so round table. AA1PR testing a microphone, if anybody can give me any feedback. Okay, it's going to come down. I guess I got to go grab a second radio, transmit into it, and do a demo that way. Pretty pathetic. All the repeaters are dead. We're all the ham radio operators. Oh my God, it makes you wonder. That's why you can't find anybody. That's why when there's national disasters, like North Carolina, Florida, all the hams are in hiding, or they're tending to themselves. You know, they got to worry about getting the heck out of their own safety just as well. Anyways, it's a dying hobby, I believe.
AA1PR down the hall in the living room, testing back to the kitchen. AA1PR testing.
Alpha 1, Papa Romeo All-Star, leg PL 173.8.
The volume all the way up on that. Let's try that again.
AA1PR testing 1 2 1 2 AA1PR test.
Okay, that was an FT60 talking to the VX6. Second time sounded like I wasn't far enough away and I was getting some feedback, some squealing. So anyways, I guess it'll work for its intended purpose.